Meet Sam, a WordPress website owner drowning in the sea of content creation, searching for a lifeline. Suddenly, Sam stumbles upon a beacon of hope. My Content Creator Pro, a plugin promising to revolutionize his website. With just a few clicks, Sam watches in amazement as My Content Creator Pro transforms his ideas into 100% unique content. His website comes alive. Pages fill with engaging articles, SEO-friendly posts, and even ebooks, all magnetizing traffic. Best of all, Sam relaxes as the plugin distributes his content across hundreds of traffic sources, skyrocketing his rankings and sales. Sam's not alone. Join a community of successful website owners, all harnessing the power of My Content Creator Pro. Take the leap towards content mastery like Sam. Click the link below this video to grab your copy of My Content Creator Pro, the ultimate content writing plugin for WordPress. Start crafting compelling content effortlessly today.